Oh, it's not a miracle, but it's a nice day here. So we did the install, and you guys saw a couple of other things going on in the car. But today I gotta drive, and actually today is the first time I'm driving like a long distance with the Coilovers. Tomorrow I have a big car show going on down in South Jersey. So if you didn't, by the time you saw this, probably I had a video uploaded already about that particular event, because that's like an hour and a half driving. But I want to take this baby out, feel the coilovers before I get the alignment. So a couple of people asked me, like, does rub? It doesn't rub, as far as I can tell. Right there is full lock. Right here it's full lock, and doesn't rub either side. I forgot to connect the fog light when I was doing the headlights, but doesn't rub at all. What was rubbing was this side here, which you can see I can barely put my finger there, so that's how low it is. When the car squats, of course we get like a little rubbing, but now it's not. I raise it a little bit. I'm not showing you how to do this. It's very simple. There are a couple of videos out there. The main goal here is trying to give you guys idea how that drives, because a lot of people want to do it, and to be honest, I think this is the best way to lower your Corvette. The lowering bolts are ish, okay, but the coilovers, it's a full different experience. So let's go for a ride and see how that feels. Yeah, actually I need to buy stuff for my son, so what a better way to do it. And once I get home, I need to clean the entire freaking car, so let's go. I will try with the windows open. If it's too noisy, you just have to do it. Alright, just to clarify, last time I drove, and I got a little bit scared, to be honest. I forgot to torque the bolt on the back tire rod. I think I have to close the window though. There's no way that's gonna hear me. And I felt the car like sliding when I was driving, and I thought it was the coilovers, but it was actually my bad. So every time you work on your car, just make sure you go over every single bolt. I normally do it. I just don't know what happened on that one specific, but one of my goals this season is drive. I want to drive, because as much as I like it to modify the cars and do stuff with the cars, they are made to be driven. You know what I'm saying? And that's the part of me like that I really miss. It's driving the car. So what I'm trying to do is, like, every Saturday morning, wake up, spend a little time with my son, and go for like an hour driving. Even if I go by myself, with some friends, doesn't matter. That's what I want to do. That's what I like to do. And that my goal is to do every single weekend. Even if I have car shows, it doesn't really matter. I want to drive, because that's actually what I like. I like to drive. I'll let you. But anyway, we are here to talk about the coilovers. So far, the car feels so much comfortable. A lot of people don't want to do this because they feel like, you know, they're gonna lose comfortable and so on and so forth. But dude, and the car is, I cannot explain. Like, just the way the handles, it's just like so much better. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like, it's black and white. That's the difference that I feel. And to be honest, my alignment's not that off. I don't know. Maybe I got lucky, but I'll get alignment anyway. have to be careful here though, because coming to those corners, there are a lot of animals here, like deers, fox, bears. I really have to be careful, like, you know, getting to corners here. But anyway, let's see when we get to the highway how that goes. Alright, we are about to get in the highway. I'll close the windows. AC is on. So far, pretty good. I want to see if I can show you guys cruising like, I don't know, 65, 70. So here we are about to get in the highway. Third gear. Fourth gear. Drive smooth. I took this highway. I'm going back home now, but I took this highway before, and the car drove amazing. Maybe, it's just maybe, I'll drop a little bit more hard on the settings, because I think it's too soft. That's, at least for me, it's too soft. Especially, see, I got like a bump, like I don't know what it was that, like it was like whatever it was on the road. You cannot even like feel it. Pretty amazing. I'm pretty happy with it. Now it's just drive, enjoy, dude. It's $1,200 worth, because think about it. I probably need to replace my shocks anyway. The shocks, like if you want good ones, you're talking about $500. If your leaf springs are bad, I don't even know how much that costs, but let's say another $100, which I don't think the leaf springs go bad unless you crash it or something. But think about it, and then you need like lowering bolts, which is another $150 to $200, depends which ones you go with. And it's just like, it's not worth it. Spend like $500 more, get yourself a nice set of coilovers, do your research, make sure you set at the height and the settings you want it, and you're good to go. I really enjoy it so far. I have nothing to complain about it. I'll keep you guys posted on the long run, because that's what matters, and we go from there. I came home and I decided to, I think it was too hard for me, the right quality, so I'll try to show you guys. It's not the easiest task, but there's, you see here, so I'm gonna, 2 clicks, I'm gonna bring all the way to the harder and start bringing the other way, so I know if it's dead center or not. 12, 13, 14, 15, and then I'm going back to 1, 2. That's it, because I want a harder, it's too soft for me. So I did the other side already. Now I did this side. It's pretty simple. You just need to take the wheel off and so on and so forth. Now I'm gonna wash the car anyway. But that's it for the coilovers. I think overall, you definitely should do it. If you're gonna upgrade your suspension, coilovers is the way to go, hands down. So let's see. I'll keep you guys posted as I always do with everything. I'll catch you guys next one. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave in the comments below. I'll make sure to answer every single question, and I'll catch you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy life and work hard for it.